हेलो एंड वेलकम वंस अगेन टू आवर चैनल, जहां हम आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं अपनी ट्रैवल जर्नीज और लाइफ से रिलेटेड कुछ वीडियोस। तो चलिए चलते हैं अपनी मॉरिशस ट्रिप के डे 3 पर, विच वाज इक्वली एडवेंचरस एज डे 2। अगर आपने हमारी डे 2 की वीडियो अभी तक नहीं देखी तो जरूर देखिएगा। आई विल पुट द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो। सो नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद आवर डे 3. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the heart of nature, which is called La Vallée des Couliers Nature Park. You can choose some adventure packages here, which range from $100 to $300 per couple. This valley is famous for the 23 colored earth. So the name, La Vallée des Couliers, which means the Valley of Colors. This natural phenomenon is truly a sight to behold. Actually, this valley was at the foot of a volcano which received volcanic ashes in varied quantity than those found elsewhere in Mauritius. We started with quad biking. You just strap on your helmet and hop on one of these powerful machines. There is nothing more exciting than piloting a quad through one of the island's most exciting terrain as you navigate through the rugged terrain of the park. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you race through dirt trails, conquer challenging obstacles, and soak in the breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. It's a thrill seeker's paradise. Next on the line is zip lining. Get ready to soar through the air like a bird as you zip across the canyons, waterfalls, and forests of La Vallée des Couliers. Feel the wind in your hair and the butterflies in your stomach as you experience the exhilaration of this adrenaline-pumping activity. Capture your perfect video for posting on social media or for your memory on your GoPro as you glide above the treetops, taking in the panoramic views below. Don't worry if you don't possess your own GoPro. You can rent it here at an extra cost. And some exciting news for all the adventure junkies. Well, there are about 7 to 8 zip lines that you can do over here. Then you can walk on a Nepalese bridge. Your heart is literally in your mouth while you're walking on this bridge, as it is 80 to 100 meters above the rainforest. It's a 350 meters long suspension bridge, which is the longest suspended bridge in the Indian Ocean. If you're lucky, one can also sight some magnificent creatures like deer, tortoise, monkeys, etc. So basically, this valley offers an array of amazing activities for everyone, whether you're a thrill seeker, nature lover, or simply looking for a memorable experience. It took us a whole day to cover the valley, even though we missed out on a few activities. By the time we reached our hotel, we were tired, but we took a hot water shower and went to an Indian restaurant in our hotel. After 2 consecutive days of adventure, we decided to have an easy day on day 4. We wanted to enjoy our resort as well. So all of us jumped into the pool and also enjoyed a few cocktails by the pool. Sometimes just to relax and do nothing is also enjoyment. So around 4 p.m., we started to get a little hungry and decided to explore the city. We decided to head towards Grand Bay, which is located on the northern coast of the island, and it's known for its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and a vibrant nightlife. Our taxi driver took us along the coastal roads, and it was amazing. If you're a seafood lover, this is the place to have some yummy seafood. But we had some vegetarian people along with us, so we sat in a normal restaurant. It was actually a bar, but the owner was very sweet and he told us that his wife would cook something for us. They took some time to prepare our meal because the lady was cooking it herself. It was really sweet of her to do that. While we were waiting for our food, we enjoyed a few rounds of pool with some amazing cocktails, fried calamari and French fries. If you ever go here, please do go to La Vielle Rouge restaurant in Grand Bay. It's a family-run bar. With our tummy full, we explored the place for a little while. Since it was our last day, we cannot leave without seeing the capital, that is Port Louis. जब हम वहाँ पहुँचे, it was already dark and places had closed down. मॉरिशस में सब अपना डे जल्दी स्टार्ट करते हैं and close down early too. But we roamed around a little and clicked a few pictures. मैं आपसे यही कहूँगी कि आप यहाँ अराउंड 3 से 4 बजे शाम को जाएं so that you can enjoy a walk along the harbour and watch the sunset here. आप यहाँ अपना डिनर भी कर सकते हैं. Next morning, we left our hotel at 7:30 a.m. for the airport after having our breakfast. Our check-in at the airport was smooth, and here the airport is very small. We did some duty-free shopping though, which you will be seeing in our last Mauritian vlog. After 6 hours, we landed in Mumbai and it was raining. Well, I hope you enjoyed our Mauritius trip as much as we did. If you have any queries, please do not hesitate to ask us in the comment section below. And guys, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. We'll soon be coming with our next series. So until our next video, it's adios, bye, tata, love you all.